It's time for another Brooklyn Music Factory Blam game, and you're playing Rhythm Song Scribe Intermediate Level 4. And in Level 4, we're going to introduce two new concepts. In the last level, we introduced a dotted quarter note plus a single eighth note, which sounds like this. Quarter, dot, eight, quarter, dot, eight, quarter, dot, eight. In this round, we're going to flip-flop that, and it's going to sound like this. Eight quarter, dot, eight quarter, dot, eight quarter, dot. So you write it a single eighth note plus a dotted quarter note. In addition, we're going to introduce a new rest, a dotted half rest. So that's a hat with a dot, and it sounds like this. Half rest, dot. Half rest, dot. And it's written just like it sounds. Let's dive into round one. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, listen. Eight note, half note, dot. Eight note rest, quarter. Eight note, quarter. Half rest, eighth note rest, quarter, dot, eight. It's a 4-measure rhythm song. That's 4 measures long. Okay, let's dive into listen number 2. Remember, every round gives you 3 listens. 1, 2, ready, listen. Eighth note, half note, dot. Eighth note rest, quarter. Eighth note, quarter. Half rest, eighth note rest, quarter, dot, 8. Come on. Come on. Put the pen to paper. Here's your third and final listen. 1, 2, ready, listen. Eighth note, half note, dot. Eighth note rest, quarter. Eighth note, quarter. Half rest, eighth note rest, quarter, dot, 8. Nice work. That's round 1 complete. Let's move on to round 2. Again, this is going to be a 4-measure rhythm song, and we'll begin to introduce those new concepts. Eighth plus dotted quarter and a half rest dot. Let's do it. 1, 2, ready, listen. Eighth quarter, dot, half note, quarter, quarter, dot, eighth quarter. Eighth note rest. Eighth note, half rest, dot, quarter. Ooh, starting to get tough. Stay in the game. Okay, here's listen number 2. 1, 2, ready, listen. Eight quarter, dot, half note, quarter, quarter, dot, eight quarter. Eighth note rest. Eighth note, half rest, dot, quarter. Come on. Okay, our third and final listen. Let's fill in the blanks or check our work if we've already got it all. Here it is. 1, 2, ready, listen. Eight quarter, dot, half note, quarter, quarter, dot, eight quarter. Eighth note rest. Eighth note, half rest, dot, quarter. Woo-wee! Bam! Another round complete. Let's move on to round 3. This is another 4-measure rhythm song. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, listen. Whole note, hold it. Eighth note, quarter, dot, eighth note, quarter. Eighth note, rest. Half note, dot, rest. Come on now. Keep your mind in the game. Stay 100% engaged. Let's go to listen number 2. 1, 2, ready, listen. Whole note, hold it. Eighth note, quarter, dot, eighth note, quarter. Eighth note, rest. Half note, dot, rest. Okay, here's your third and final listen of round 3. Check your work if you've got it. Otherwise, fill in those last few notes. 1, 2, ready, listen. Whole note, hold it. 8-note quarter, dot, 8-note quarter. 8-note, 8-note rest. Half note, dot, rest. Nice work! You've got 1 round to go. Let's do it! Woo-wee! Final round. 4-measure rhythm song. Let's get started. 1, 2, ready, listen. 8-note, 8-quarter, dot, quarter, half rest. 8-note quarter, quarter, dot, 8, half note. 8-note rest. 8-note, 8-note. Hoo-wee! Starting to get tough. You're leveling up. Here we go. Work through 1 measure at a time. Here's your second listen. 1, 2, ready, listen. 8-note, 8-quarter, dot, quarter, half rest. 8-note quarter, quarter, dot, 8, half note. 8-note rest. 8-note, 8-note. Come on! Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here's your third and final listen. Let's get it. This is the final round. Come on now. 1, 2, ready, listen. 8-note, 8-quarter, dot, quarter, half rest. 8-note quarter, quarter, dot, 8, half note. 8-note rest. 8-note, 8-note. Nice work. That's another round complete. Great job. Next level is the final level in Rhythm Song Scribe Intermediate. Go for it.